Fungus or molds live throughout the environment, particularly in soil and in decaying organic matter. Most commonly seen on decaying bread, they spread and reproduce asexually via fungal spores. Black fungus disease is also known as mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is a serious but rare fungal infection caused by a group of molds called Mucormycetes. The member of this family, called Rhizophus oryzae, is most often responsible for the infection in humans, although in tropical and subtropical climates, another family member called Apophysomyces is very common. There are several types of mucormycosis. Rhinocerebral mucormycosis. It is an infection in the sinus that can spread to the brain. This form of mucormycosis is most common in people who are immunodeficient with uncontrolled diabetes and surgical transplantation. Pulmonary mucormycosis. If a person inhales the fungal spores, it can reach sinuses and lungs and cause serious infection of upper and lower respiratory tract. Cutaneous or skin mucormycosis. Mucormycosis can also develop on skin after the fungal spore enters the skin through a cut or any other type of skin trauma. Mucormycosis can manifest in the lungs, but the nose and sinuses are the most common sites of mucormycosis infection. From there, it can spread to the eyes. It can cause blindness, headache, and in severe cases, it can also cause brain damage. Correlation of mucormycosis with COVID-19. People with diabetes and obesity tend to develop more severe COVID-19 infections. They are more likely to receive corticosteroids, which are immunosuppressant and frequently used for COVID-19 treatment. When lungs are damaged and our immune system is suppressed, such as the case for severe COVID-19 patients, the fungal spores can grow into the respiratory pathways and spread to the surrounding tissues. Therefore, the corticosteroids along with diabetes increases the risk of mucormycosis. Doctors believe that diabetes could be the key factor behind the recent surge associated with COVID-19. When diabetes is poorly controlled and the blood glucose level is high, the tissue becomes relatively acidic. It is a condition known as diabetic ketoacidosis. This was identified as a risk for mucormycosis in India, where the diabetes is increasingly prevalent and often uncontrolled. Acidic condition inhibits the macrophages, which are the immune cells that destroys the fungal spores. Unfortunately, this is the favorable environment for the fungi to grow. Mucormycosis is a serious infection and needs to be treated with antifungal medicine. Usually, drugs like amphotericin B, posaconazole is given for the treatment. There are several treatment challenges for the disease. Early detection is a key to diagnose any disease. But unfortunately, no clinical tests are available for detection of black fungus. Not only those infections are diagnosed late, but also access to the specialized treatment is limited in a country like India. Thus, current demands on the health system owing to the ongoing severe pandemic will only make the things worse.